Hello guys, today I will show you how to make your folder more security than we can say. If someone want to open the folder, they will not allow to open or even delete the folder. So now see how it look like. Now I go to property, right click on it and then go to security, and then go to administrator, and then I go to edit anyway, and then I'm going to administrator again, and then I will click all everything right here, such as full control, modify, read, or something like that, and then go to apply, and after that I go to OK and OK again, and now I come back to open the folder. Now the system not allow me to open the folder. Even I want to delete the folder, the message is giving that you need the permission to perform this action. It means that I cannot delete this folder. To reopen or make it open again, you just go to right click on it and go to property and security again, and go to administrator and edit, and go to administrator again and untick all everything right here, and then apply, and then OK and OK again. Now I can open my folder now. Okay, this is how to secure your folder and protect someone to open your folder in case that you don't use your computer or someone use your computer. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel.